Ever wondered how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookies at home? Well, one can unlock the secret to baking these sweet treats with just a few simple steps and ingredients. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. Crunchy or chewy, the base for any chocolate chip cookie starts with 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Then, add in 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a dash of salt for balance. To bind all these ingredients together, one will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of baking soda. And of course, the star of the show, 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now it's time to put it all together. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, cream together the butter and sugars in a large mixing bowl until the mixture is light and fluffy. This process aerates the butter, which promises an incredibly tender texture. Next, beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and baking soda. Gradually add this to the wet mixture, stirring just until combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, and no one wants that. With the dough ready, fold in the chocolate chips. Then, using a tablespoon or a cookie scoop, drop rounded balls of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie to allow for spreading. Now, it's time for the magic to happen. Slide the baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Every oven is different, so keep an eye on them to prevent burning. Once they're done, remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. However, snagging one while it's still warm is a must-do. There's nothing quite like the taste of a freshly baked chocolate chip cookie with its gooey chocolate and buttery, sugary dough. So there you have it. The secret to baking the perfect chocolate chip cookies at home is no longer a secret. Simple, delicious, and oh so satisfying, these cookies are sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Perfect for sharing, gifting, or simply indulging in all by oneself. In summary, with a handful of basic ingredients, a bit of mixing, and a short stint in the oven, one can create a batch of heavenly chocolate chip cookies. Remember, the key to a great cookie lies in the quality of the ingredients, the love put into the mixing, and the patience in baking. Happy baking!